An alert for the U.S. stock market and a audio morning brief. I am processing a video morning brief, kind of long. I got some extra things to add that I'm kind of excited about for the long term into year 26 and now even 27 and different upside targets. And then, of course, I'm getting you the detailed analysis of what I'm expecting here in October because the alert is that I'm calling a level 2 top, which means automatically I'm calling a level 3 top. I'm Rich Pasa for Critical Point, the stock market update and alert. It is September 30th and it is 9:07 a.m. Eastern Time. I believe the market can snap up sometime from today into tomorrow. What I did not put in the video morning brief is if the market's going lower after 1 p.m. Eastern Time, more so if it's going lower into the close today, I'm probably going to be wrong. It's going to be down at least some of tomorrow, okay? Otherwise, it could pick its head up today into tomorrow for that level 4 interweek to intraday kind of stuff, all right? Zooming out, however, I think if it does blip up, it won't blip up much at all. It's not going to work that well. Not so sure I would want to day trade it or interweek trade it that way. I am concerned that Friday's high, even though it's not the highest price, it was below the record high, but I think Friday's high was a truncated, failed, and secondary kind of top of level 4s going into a level 3 top, and the level 3 is a monthly sell. So I am saying if you're a level 3 trader, you can probe it, you can sell it. I know I don't give you alerts normally, but because of level 2, it's automatically making a level 3 top. I think the stock market can go lower into next week for that level 3 trend. There are things that can go wrong. It can rebound one last time this week for those level 4s, push that level 3 trend up a little bit longer, then they sell it off. Okay, and I'm going to talk about level 2 here in a moment, but because there's multiple opportunities for level 2 to top out. But at any rate, I think the best forecast is this market's at least going to slip a little bit into next week. It may slip a bit more. I think the bears that have been betting on the downside in August, September are going to try to bet again. And so now if we zoom out and look at those level 3s, I can see down, up, down for the month of October. And what I don't know is, will most of the selling and damage be done early or will it be done late? Is it some kind of combination? I do think there can be a bounce mid-October, but it may be weak. It may be very strong. There's a lot of different twists and turns. But overall, October, we ought to see some selling. And so as we zoom out again, what we're saying is there's a chance this level 2 top, the second most important kind of sell signal during a year, during a long-term bull market, or even a bear market, that top may not show up to the week of October 14th, but so we may have to throw a few more darts here than what I just said for finding this level 3 top, okay? We could be early. It could be problematic for us. But I'm thinking that we might as well call level 2 top here with this level 3 top. What this means is October can be a down month. It could be down huge amounts. I think it's only going to be down no more than minus 3% to minus 3.4% from the record high for these major indexes, specifically the S&P 500. I'm not even convinced they'll go down that much though. All right, I think this could be a little stalling out, a little hesitation. I thought maybe they would do most of the selling early in October rather than late, but I'm wondering, can they hold this market up well enough that most of the selling's towards the end of the month as they also prepare for the election? It gives them a little more reason to get even more nervous and that sort of thing, okay? I don't know yet. And this is only the first shot here, official call level 2, even though I warned you in the last couple of weeks, you could start probing and selling, but you might be wrong. And yeah, it did hold up there a little better. There's still that crowd out there that thinks we might be in a melt-up market. And please keep in mind, I'm calling a level 2 top, but we're going to get a level 2 bottom maybe as soon as next week. But maybe not even until early November, but likely no later than late November. And the point is, this pullback on this level 2 is inside of a larger up move from August called a level 1 that can be up into November and could even create a record high. So it may not be worth selling for this level 2, or it may be worth just day trading, level 3 trading into week trading to take bits and pieces of it, rather than just say, hey, I'm going to sell on it, and if necessary, we'll just hold on, wait until the end of the month. I don't know if it's going to be that easy of a drop. I don't think it's going to be that large, but I got to warn you, it's that time of year that they could drop it quite a bit, and the level 2 has a wide range of performance. It can drop quite a bit. Something may break loose here. And I think the market's just been coasting up into this level 2 top. That makes it more vulnerable, but it doesn't seem to be all that nervous. It doesn't seem to be all that sensitive right now. It is net bullish, okay? But they may change their mind now that we're wrapping up the month, the quarter, and starting a new one. This might be a turning point where they can be brave. I'm thinking maybe the bears might say, you know what, let's bet on the downside, because if we're wrong, we might be able to go the other way and get some money back by the end of the month. So that may encourage them, yeah, take a shot at this, let's see what we get. So there's your signal. And all I can say, if it goes to a record high, then I got to start over and throw darts, and I want to apologize for it, because we are in a range when we know we can be a little bit early. We know we don't have that perfect situation to be bearish, but we know we have enough, because in a normal market, it would sell off now anyways. That's why we know there's such a thing as a level 2. It can sell off and doesn't need the news and the information to do it. It can be nothing more than profit taking. So there's your level 2 alert. There's your level 3 alert. Although I think it should pick its head up later today into tomorrow. Again, after 1 p.m. Eastern time, if it's looking soft and weak, maybe it's not going to work. And if it actually closes near the low of the day by today, then I think there'll be a little follow through tomorrow. It's not going to work for us. And that's what I'm looking out for, is for signs the level 4s aren't working so well. That's probably a sign the level 3 is working to the downside. And then that can be the first piece of evidence that the level 2 is starting to work down. Set up various price levels. That as it goes down through those levels, it gives you a warning that this level 2, level 3 stuff is working, especially level 2. One of those things you can use is just look at the price low of last week. If it goes below that, more so if it closes down, I think we're on our way for a level 2 down move. A down week can be a general idea of, hey, we're on our way for a level 2 down move. I think there's going to be some selling this month. I'm saying it's starting. This is pure timing. This is not trend following or selling on the way down. We're trying to pick a top, and that can be more dangerous of doing. Even though it's possible it can minimize risk and maximize profit, you can also just be wrong and make more trades as you're trying to be a timer. Have a great day. Past results not saying indicative future results. Check out that morning brief video if you have time. Thank you.